Imagine you are on a fair. The customers visit you. But the customers not only visit you that day, they also visit 1,000 other trade booths. What can you do that the customer is not forgetting you after this day? Add them to your LinkedIn network. Build up a great network and send them directly after the visit a small message that you're happy to add them to your personal network. After that, you can share immense innovations, new posts, new products with them, and they will see it directly in their profile. Your benefits? You can increase your turnover, you build up a brand on social media, and you can make more bonus. The customer won't forget you anymore and they will come back directly and buy again. What should be better than a customer that builds up a customer relationship with you? What can you do to increase your social network in LinkedIn? 6 steps should help you to have a successful LinkedIn profile. The first one is directly the picture. What sees the visitors first? Your smile. So add a nice picture, for example with BioCircle clothes. Just make a connection to the company and your personal profile. Second one, the company. Add BioCircle to your profile that the customer sees directly that you work for BioCircle. The third step, the network. Add more and more people to your network. Just send them directly after your visit or after a fair a friendship request, and they will follow you afterwards. Fourth step, activities. Post, sharing and writing. Write about your latest success or just share posts from BioCircle companies. We will constantly develop new content that's interesting for your customer and for yourself to make you even more successful. Fifth step, the experience. Just add your experience of the BioCircle job on your profile. Write down what you're doing exactly and how can you help the customer to get even more successful and optimize his processes. And the last one, messages. The key point for increasing your network. Just write a small message to a customer, a potential customer, or whoever you want to add to your network. Just thank him for his attention or for your visit. So let's go!